G'day folks, and welcome to another edition of Sydney Retro MTB. We're doing a bike check today, and in the stand we have the Mongoose VRS 3.0 from 1997. Got this off a lovely guy called John, pretty local to me. Told me some good stories about it going down to Thredbo back in the day, so it's seen a bit of action. Here we have the RockShox Deluxe Shock. It does need a rebuild. The rebound on it is kind of gone. We're moving down to the original kind of workhorse of 97, 96, the Dior XT front mech, 3-speed. And we've also got the White Industry cranks. Now this has got the original outer chain ring, but it's got a black spire middle and a Seguno granny ring. We are moving over to the DMR V8s. There's a few pins missing from it. But that was a staple back in the day for flat pedal riders. Got the lizard skins, chainstay protector. And we've got the Mavic 217 SGP Sunrise rims, which are very sought after. They're super cool, need a bit of a clean, but we can get there. Then we've got the next generation of XT V-brakes. This is the model after the one which is the same as the front mech. We've got some IRC Mythos tyres on there. We've got the XT rear mech to match the V-brakes. And I think that is an Avid Roller-Majig, which is the copy of the Cog Hog. But I might be wrong on that because there's no label on it, but we'll see. We have a Shimano XT cassette. And we've got the Shimano XT hubs. All running smooth. Got a no-branded seat post. Not too sure what the seat is. It's absolutely trash. That will be going in the bin. I'm not an expert in restoration on saddles, so unfortunately that won't be staying in the collection. Obviously Kevlar sides there, another staple back in the day. We've got a FSA Conix top cap on there. That was actually jammed in, you'll see in the strip down video. But yeah, FSA Orbital A headset with an Uno stem. A few rusty bolts there. Can get in the rust bath with them. But all the bearing, it's a sealed cartridge bearing system. It's all running really, really smooth even after all these years. This is an aftermarket Dior, fairly modern Dior shifter. We've got the Avid SD 2.0s, Race Prodigy flat bars, and Ori grips. It's the first time I've actually had a pair of Ori grips, and they're really comfy, which is quite cool. Everything's working on here as it should, which is great. Got the Mongoose logo there, nice little metal stamped badge stuck on the front. And we come down to the RockShox Duke XCs. These are an air cartridge. They do still work, and that's mounted. We've got the XTVs mounted onto it. We've got the 110 XT front hub, and again the Sunrise 217 with the IRC tyres. The Mythos, and that's actually a Spinergy quick release on the front. There's the Mythos. Well, get that focus, come on, you can do it. There we go. That rim's so nice. It does need a lot of cleaning. It's a bit worse in real life, but hub's real good. Spending way too long on that hub, I don't know what I was doing. But yeah, the forks are working okay. Pretty smooth. They're quite heavy, considering they're meant to be an XC fork. We've got some fairly burly lowers. I haven't measured them yet, but yeah, pretty robust. And then it's just the other side, 7005 aluminium frame. On the it's quite interesting because on the linkage on the shock, obviously it looks like you've got a few kind of options to lower the BB and alter the head angle as well. So it's quite cool. But yeah, this is it, the VRS 3.0. I'm not too sure what I'm going to do with it, whether I keep it for parts, strip it, rebuild, full restoration, who knows. But this is what's in my possession at the moment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again on another bike check. Take care. See ya.